What's going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Hope everybody out there is doing well today. As for myself, I am doing pretty good on a very emotional trading day. Man, today was probably one of the worst trading days that I have had in a long time. Definitely the worst futures trading day that I've had in a long time, seeing as how I am very young in my futures trading career. But going back to yesterday, we have to start this talk yesterday. First trade out the blocks yesterday, trading in Ninja, using the Ninja trading platform, which I do like. First trade, green, nice, decent green, risking 25 bucks, ended up making 35. I'm excited. I'm like, okay, we doing something. I go to my part-time job that most of y'all know that I have, and I'm usually afforded the opportunity to take some evening trades. And I start doing that, and it goes downhill from there. It literally just goes downhill from there. Take a couple of bad trades. Actually, the first trade that I took was a good trade. I'm not going to even say that it was a bad trade. What it was a trade that I took, and I should have gotten out of the trade before I got away from my computer. And I walked away from the computer thinking that the market is going to do something. It's the wrong idea to have. I come back. And actually, I don't even have to come back, because on my cell phone, I get alerts for both Ninja Trader and TRADERVUE, because they are one and the same. I get an alert that I have stopped out in this trade, and I am oversized in this trade, y'all. And instead of taking a $25 paper cut, a $10 paper cut, a $50 paper cut, I get stabbed with like $160 loss. And if you have ever traded and you get that feeling where I need to make this up, it goes downhill from there. $160 turns into something else, which turns into something else, which turns into Monday morning, I wake up down about $400. And at that time, when I went to sleep, I took two trades. I took a MES contract and I took an MNQ contract. So going to sleep, about 2 o'clock, I'm in a contract on both sides. No target, but I have stops in place. I was smart enough to do that. Around 5:30 when I wake up, yeah, I get like 3 hours of sleep Sunday, Monday, Tuesday nights. So I wake up about 5:30. As always, I remember, I'm like, I am in a trade. No sooner than I think that, I get an alert on my phone and I'm stopping out of the MES contract. And I'm like, yeah, this is not good. Turn on the phone. I look at the MNQ. It's green. I'm like, okay, we'll go ahead and let this thing continue to do what it does. Get up, go about my daily routine, sit down at the desk, and I'm already emotionally challenged. Now, I'm not mad that I'm red, because I can deal with a red day. I didn't condition my mind over the years of trading that a red day is a red day. What I'm pissed about is how I got to the red day that I am at. So, go into Discord, talk to the fellas, let them know, hey, I probably won't take no trades today. I'm in these two contracts, or I'm in one of them now. I'm going to let it play out. I'm going to try to make what I can out of it to salvage, try to make back some of that 400, 500 bucks that I've lost. And one of the gentlemen that hangs out in the group, who is the most experienced in the group, Vega, he says, man, red days happen, but he was like, don't let it get to you, which is kind of easier said than done, even though, like I said, red day is a red day for me. It's the mental thing of me me knowing that I didn't do what I was supposed to do. But what he says is, okay, you had a red day. Look back. Do you have a red week? If you got a red week, look back. Is your month red or is your month green? Look back a little further. Are you green on the year or are you red on the year? So in the grand scheme of things, that red day, how does it affect you? So I went back and I looked at the month of June. Lo and behold, I was still green on the month, but I ate up a huge bit of it. On the year, I'm still green in the futures account because we're only talking about the futures account right now. I'm still green. So like, okay, I received that. That's good information. And that's something that I have to stick with. But the day goes on. I end up coming back to the desk in the afternoon. And I take a few trades. And we'll go ahead. I'm going to flip-flop between both platforms today. So first we're going to start off looking at TRADERVUE, which I took no trades in TRADERVUE today. But I do like TRADERVUE's like trade review layout. So I hadn't figured out how to do that in NinjaTrader. So we're going to do this in TRADERVUE. So what I have found is when I clicked on today, the numbers were not what I expected. So I was like, something is not right there. But what it was, I have to go back to yesterday because futures are a little different. So I have to look at some of the trades that I took on Sunday to get a very big picture of what I'm talking about. And I don't think I probably won't get any recaps done today, but what I just want to show y'all is what I went through today. So this is just showing Sunday. This is just showing Sunday. Gross P&L, 36 bucks in the red. Commissions and fees, 25. So when you have a red day trading, it's going to get exaggerated with your commissions and fees. So Sunday, 11:59 p.m., I was down $61. $61. So that tells you a lot of the trades that I went red on was after 11:59 Sunday. Total profit, $45. Total losses, $81. Look at this, though. I still was trading 60-40. So 60% of my trades were good. 40 was bad. Where the issue was at was right here. My average winner was 15. My average loser was 40. So that's that. And I did come over here and I started looking at some of these charts right here. So this just kind of explains where I was down initially, and then I got green. And again, this here takes into account commissions and fees. Got green, got red, and then I got big red. I got big red. All right, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at today's numbers. So today is going to account for 12 o'clock Monday morning all the way up until right now. Boom. All trades. Gross P&L, $206. $120 in fees, y'all. I took 37 trades. Total P&L after comms and fees, $85.07. This was where the problem was at, because I'm like, no, this number should be like 20-something. So that's where my issue was running into, where I say the numbers were kind of skewed. Total profit 687. I lost $481. Look at these numbers. Largest winning trade 121.50. Largest losing trade $60. Average winning trade $36. Average losing trade $26. That's trading 51% to 48%. Look at this though. Max run up 511. Max drawdown 424 in the red. Again, when I woke up this morning, I was already resigned to a red day. It's what it was. I was like, this is going to be a red day. Let's come here and look at this chart right here, which shows you P&L per time of day. So if we look here, we see at 12 o'clock, I'm down $153. At 1 o'clock, I am down $202. And these are being added because again, this is not cumulative. This is adding. So I'm down 153. I'm down 202. That's gonna make me down 350 something bucks. I make a few bucks at 130. That's that. Like I said, I was trading in the wee hours, just letting the trades work. And this is where I make up the difference. When I sit back down in the afternoon and the market just ripping. And I just could not sit there and let it do that. P&L history. Now, this is the one with the fees included. 12 o'clock. You see it. I'm down 170. As the morning rolls on, I'm down 300. I'm down almost 4. We come over here with fees. I am down $426, y'all. That is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm in that one contract still, it kind of working its way out. And then boom, that 2 o'clock time frame, I finally get back green on the day, y'all, with fees. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna change this to a custom date, and we're gonna look at custom range. We'll go from yesterday to today, and those are gonna be the true numbers. Let's look at it. So gross P&L 170, $146 in fees. I finished the day out green, $23.84. That there is probably the best $23.84 I have ever made. Because again, you got to remember, at 9:30 this morning, I was resigned to being down $400 on stupidity. Just put it out there. Just bad trading. From going down red that initial trade to revenge trading. And digging myself a bigger hole. Just a bigger hole. And this just, I just remember something. I'm gonna bring up this is the Discord. And again, like I said, we post charts, we post different things, but look at this post that I made at 7:17 this morning. Time to get a big shovel. Do y'all know what that means? That means I had dug myself a huge hole. I'm gonna need a big, gigantic shovel to fill that hole in. And we did it. This was look at this trade yesterday, 648. Good exit. This was the first trade that I took in Ninja Trader. So I'm excited. I'm like, yes, we did it. I was risking 25. I was up 40. I walked away making 35. I'm good. It goes from that at 6:21 p.m. to needing a huge shovel at 717. At this point, I'm just posting stuff, not really trading. Spark is posting some of his charts. He's a fellow futures trader. Posted his house. We're going to keep going. 317. Fought my way back. Commissions ate me up, but overall, I'm only down $24. I was good with that. Vega, from being down 300, not bad. 342. I am green, realized, and I'm shutting it down. You see right there what I put. No evening session trading for me tonight. I'm booking this 2384 green day and walking away. Yeah, it was that type of day today, y'all. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to bring up NinjaTrader real quick. Just so y'all can see what MNQ, which is what I was trading, what it did today. So right here, this right here, let me blow that up, because I don't really want to review them, but I just want y'all to see where I was trading at, y'all, and just getting chopped up. And it was, I had the right idea. I just was taking bad trades and not getting out of them because I wasn't sitting at the desk to get out. A lot of these trades that I took losses on, y'all, I was actually probably up 1R on, but I would get in a trade, walk away from my desk, and that's something that you really can't do with this type of trading that I'm doing. But this was MNQ. This is where I took my biggest hits at, trading through here, and then coming up through here, I was kind of getting back green, but not really getting back green, but making some of those losses back. The chart that I really want to show you is not here, and I did it on my laptop, so I'm gonna do it on my desktop real quick, so bear with me. And this was something that was kind of new and funky to all of us this morning. MNQ and the MES, their contracts changed this morning. So in Thinkorswim, it actually looked like the futures were gapping up, but the futures cannot gap up. That's not possible. So what I had to do was roll over contracts. So I'm gonna show you how you do that real quick. So on the come back here, and I'm gonna put this it's always on top. In the control panel for NinjaTrader, you go to Tools, Instruments List, go to Micros, and then double click on whichever one you want to change. So you see MES is June 23. Double click it. Notice that the expiration now is 9/23. Click OK and apply. The other one that I trade is MNQ. I'm gonna do the same. Double click, expiration 9/23. Click OK and apply. So now it has applied that to both of those. So now what I'll do is, I think, get out of here, and then I'm gonna come up to here. I'm gonna go to futures or micros, and it should, yep, there it is, 9/23. So now I'm gonna come over here though, and I'm gonna change this to micros, MNQ 9/23. So that's going to change that on everything. That's good. And let's go ahead and take a peek now. And we should see those trades that I took. But why don't I? That's good. That's good. Yeah, I don't see them. Interesting. Oh, you know why? Do you know why? Because they have rolled the trades already. they have rolled the trades for today. How do I? Interesting. Well, we're not going to do that. What I'll do is just bring back up the orders. And I just want to see around what time I was getting in those trades. That's the other thing that's kind of funky with NinjaTrader. It's on Central Time because it's Chicago. It's based on Chicago time. So these times be kind of throwing me off. But man, I wanted to show where I was getting in these trades at because of how this thing was moving, y'all. But look at what MNQ did. And I just kind of wanted to show y'all so y'all could see. I was taking some good trades to get back out of this hole. Literally, that's basically what I wanted to show. But we've been at this thing 21 minutes. I try to keep these under 15 minutes, and it's always fairly hard. But thanks for checking me out. Didn't really get to actually recap any trades, but I just wanted to just get that out there, man, that even when we have what we think everything locked in, we can still have these just crazy days that could lead to actually blowing up. It could lead to actually blowing up, coming off tilt, as they like to say. And I'm not immune to it. The pros, when you listen to them, and that's why I love listening to the pros on the experts, like on Chat with Traders and other podcasts, because it's very easy to think that you got it all under control, and in snap of the finger you could blow your account up on some foolishness. I did have a couple of technicalities with NinjaTrader that caused me a few of those red trades. I was sizing in. I would go into the trade. I got my stop set for $25, sized in like that. It only took 2 ticks. Boom, I'm stopped out. And then the trade goes in my direction. So a lot of that I need to work on as far as setting my brackets. I was being a little aggressive last night and today to get back out of the hole. But I'm comfortable when I'm trading to where I'm supposed to be trading, to not really worry about that. Not really worry about that. So thanks for checking me out as always. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. I will probably go back and do some recaps on a few of these trades that I took today, because they were some good trades, and I kind of want to show my process, my strategy. I'm just sitting here looking at these charts that's right in front of me on NinjaTrader, and just looking at the charts, I see some excellent spots where I could have got in, risking very small amounts and making some good money. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up tonight. I'm gonna definitely look at some of these trades that I took and just kind of see where I went wrong at. On that note, I'm up out of here. We'll be back at it again tomorrow, though. Peace.